Have you ever wondered what happens to the things a black hole swallows? Do they just vanish forever? Or is there a secret hiding deep within? Black holes, the most mysterious objects in the universe, are known for their gravity so powerful that not even light can escape. But a revolutionary theory suggests they might not erase everything after all. Instead, they may store that information in something far more fascinating: quantum supermazes. According to MTheory, an extension of string theory, our universe isn't just four-dimensional, it has 11 dimensions. And inside black holes, matter collapses into vibrating, multidimensional objects known as branes. These branes twist and tangle into supermazes, cosmic puzzles that may memorize everything that falls inside a black hole. Imagine a maze with hundreds of rooms where 2D and 5D objects meet and bend around each other, explains physicist Nicholas Warner from the University of Southern California. Each twist and turn inside these supermazes stores information, just like your brain stores memories. These brain structures are also known as fuzzballs, and they might be the key to solving one of physics' biggest mysteries: the black hole information paradox. Famed physicist Stephen Hawking believed that black holes eventually evaporate through radiation, erasing all data within. But that contradicts quantum physics, where nothing can truly be lost. Fuzzballs offer a solution. They store that data and emit it back over time, particle by particle. While still theoretical, these supermazes might just bridge the gap between Einstein's relativity and quantum mechanics, and even guide us toward a theory of everything. Published in Journal of High Energy Physics. Supported by theoretical studies by Nicholas Warner, Samir Mathur, and others. The next time you stare at a starry sky, remember, beyond the veil of blackness, the universe might be keeping secrets, locked inside quantum puzzles waiting to be solved. And one day, we just might crack the code.